Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you may be wondering, why do you need to create a customer persona in your business? Well, great question, and I'm going to assume that if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, or business owner of some sort. Now, you're in the right place, and I'm going to absolutely cover that for you. But before we continue, do me a big favor here. Smash the like button on this video. That helps with the YouTube algorithm to get more viewers on here. And comment any questions that you've got below. Let me know all about your business, and subscribe to the channel because I've got tons of videos on growing your business. Now, what is a customer persona? Why should you have a customer persona? Well, some people call it customer persona. Other people call it a customer avatar. Other people will call it an ideal customer profile. All of them are the same thing. And by doing the exercise of creating a customer persona, what you're actually doing is making sure you get more of your ideal customer. That's what we want to achieve by doing this exercise. And getting your ideal customer is essential to your business success. Now, what I want you to think about here is go back and think about the last 10 customers that you had in your business. Now, I'm certain of something here. I'm certain that not all of those 10 customers were equal. And I would imagine that 2 out of 10 were absolutely a dream to work with. Maybe they paid you on time, maybe they didn't haggle on price, maybe they just thanked you after you created the product or service for them that you agreed to do. And what we need as business owners is to attract more of those ideal people. And there's an exercise that you can do on creating a customer avatar. And in the description of this video is a link to another YouTube video where I show you exactly the step-by-step process on creating a customer avatar. Not only that, I'll give you a free workbook on how to do that as well. So do go and check that out in the description here. Now, why would you want to do this? The reason you want to do this is those 2 out of 10, they have similarities. Maybe they hang out on the same social networks. Maybe it's LinkedIn, Yahoo, Pinterest. Who knows? I don't know. But there are going to be similarities about them, right? Maybe they read the same books or the same magazines. All of this information is important to us when we're marketing to those people. You know, in our marketing message, when we know our avatar, we can actually push people away. We can push away those time wasters. We can push away those people who don't make fast decisions. We can push away the ones that don't have the money for your product or service. But without that, we're going blind. And that's why a lot of marketing campaigns aren't successful, because the customer persona, the customer avatar, hasn't been focused on. By creating this persona, this avatar, what you're going to do is save yourself a ton on marketing costs. You're going to maybe cut your marketing costs in half, but in doing that, you're going to attract more of the people that you want to work with. Then you can be more selective on who you work with. And in turn, my suggestion to you as a business owner would be that you start to creep up your price, right? Until you get to a ceiling. Every business owner that I come across could easily charge more for their product or service. But what holds them back and stops them doing that is the fact that they're not able to believe that they're going to be able to charge premium pricing, or they don't have enough leads. And by having not enough leads in their business, they're not going to be comfortable to do that, because they're going to be fighting to get every deal over the line from every lead. My job is to teach you how to get more of those ideal customers and then get more of them in, more leads into your business, and convert them into sales. So if you're finding this useful, then go and check out that avatar training. It's in the description here. It's another YouTube video, right? You don't have to opt in or anything like that. Just click on the link. It's a workbook as well. You can grab and download while you're there. Free PDF. Just print it off and fill it in and create your customer persona. Don't leave it, right? These videos, you'll easily get distracted by the next video. Go and do that now. Click on that video and watch that. I assure you it's the right thing to do for your business. And as I said, if you haven't done already, click the subscribe button, guys. This is the channel for you if you're focused on leads and sales and business marketing. I've got a ton of stuff that I'm going to share with you over the coming months. And so by subscribing, you get notified first. in the comments, introduce yourself. I want to know who you are, what your business is. Tell me all about yourself. Let's get to know each other. I hope you found this useful. Go and check out that training now. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.